Making websites should be easy. I mean, you have many website making platforms like WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, GoDaddy, and a plethora of others. And you can design some awesome sites. But there's a few drawbacks. You have to pay. You have to actually design it. Some sites aren't really that easy to put together. Still, you have to start somewhere. And it would be nice to start somewhere for free, right? Okay, I know it's impressive to make a site that everyone will love, and that will take time. But for now, you can actually make a mind-blowing site of your own, and it's actually easy. So we can definitely dive in. But first, you need to download Visual Studio Code, or VS Code for short. Why? There's about 1,538,209 reasons to do so, but I'll give you 2. It's a place to actually write the code. You can use it to see how it looks from what you wrote. Let's make this quick, shall we? First, type in Visual Studio Code in Google. Click on the link. Go to the download button and click it. Click on your computer's operating system. After the automatic download, double-click to install the package. It should come up in your files. Then, just double-click to start. There, easy, no? These last 3 steps will get you in the right place. Right-click on your desktop to create a folder. You can call it anything, but for now, let's call it HTML 1.0. Go on to VS Code, click the double page icon, and then click Open Folder. Now you're in the right place to start. To make a page to code on, hover over the small title of your folder until you see the single page plus icon. Click on that to add a page. Click into the file name field and type index.html. This works for all other coding language files, as in CSS, JavaScript, Python, Java, Go. Okay, never mind. Too long, didn't read. You finally got through the hardest part of this lesson. Now you're ready to make a website. Well, really, just the start of one. Still, you might be blown away or slightly amused. Either way, I think it's kind of cool. You could start with a simple code like HTML tags, then put a body tag, then put a header 1 tag, and put a p tag. And voila! You have yourself the making of start of a site. Recap. What to code on, how to start coding. In the next video, you will learn the next thing you should do to add to what you just started. See ya!